Interpreting dream symbols can be subjective, but here are 15 common ways to approach it. Personal emotions. Consider your emotions during the dream and how they relate to the symbols. Personal experience. Think about your past experiences and how they might connect to the symbols. Archetypal symbols. Explore universal symbols like water, animals, or the sun, which often have collective meanings. Cultural influences. Recognize that symbols can vary in meaning across cultures. Context. Analyze the dream's context, such as the setting and other dream characters. Colors. Pay attention to the colors in your dream, as they can convey emotions and themes. Numbers. Numbers can carry specific meanings, such as 7 representing spirituality or 13 symbolizing bad luck. Freudian interpretation. Explore Freudian ideas like the id, ego, and superego to uncover hidden desires. Jungian analysis. Apply Carl Jung's concepts, like the collective unconscious or archetypes, to understand symbolism. Dreams as processing. Consider dreams as a way for your mind to process daily experiences and emotions. Problem solving. Sometimes, dreams can offer solutions to real-life problems. Future insights. Some believe dreams can provide glimpses into the future, though this is debated. Stress relief. Dreams can serve as a release valve for stress and anxiety. Communication with the self. View dreams as a form of communication with your subconscious. Spiritual or mystical. Some people interpret dreams as messages from a higher power or the universe. Remember that dream interpretation is highly individual, and it's essential to consider your unique experiences and feelings when deciphering symbols in your dreams.